In this video, we're having a look at two vehicles on diametrically opposite sides of an intersection, both traveling straight and yet somehow colliding with one another. In the next few animations and real-life clips to follow, we'll have a look at just some of the scenarios that can give rise to such a situation whereby one of the vehicles lands up on the wrong side of the road. In this first animation, we have the driver of a vehicle quickly trying to cut across the intersection. The oncoming vehicle swerves to try and avoid the vehicle cutting across its path and then lands up on the wrong side of the road and strikes the oncoming vehicle. Now, this could either be a vehicle that's turning in this direction across the path of the oncoming vehicle, or it could be a vehicle coming from the side here that overshoots into the intersection, and so the oncoming driver tries to swerve to avoid that vehicle. Real life clip to illustrate this very point. In the next animation, we have the driver of the red vehicle not paying attention, being distracted in some way or the other. Could even be a medical emergency where the driver has blacked out, but nonetheless, the vehicle now starts crossing diagonally through the intersection and collides with a vehicle on the opposite side. Real life clip. In the next animation, we have a vehicle that actually collides with the oncoming vehicle, just strikes it at the back of the vehicle, and so displaces the angle of the vehicle so that it faces the direction of the oncoming traffic and collides with the vehicle on the opposite side of the intersection. Real life clip to illustrate this. And then in the last clip in this video, we have icy, slippery conditions. And so a vehicle traveling at a higher speed down this road starts sliding right through the intersection, collides with the oncoming vehicle. So always be cautious in slippery conditions. We never want to enter, and I want to stress this point, whether it's icy conditions or not, can be dry conditions, can be good traction on the road, but never enter an intersection at high speed. Always slow down. And I'll repeat that wherever we come across such a scenario, never speed through an intersection.
Please like, subscribe, and get notified.